Now the main purpose of this video is to make and keep it very simple, so that anyone can do it. You can make it very elaborate if you want to, but I wanted to keep it very fresh, very minimal, very simple and very quick. So let's get started. So on the lids, you can either keep it very simple, you can even keep it bare, but I would definitely suggest you to put little something onto it. Today I am using the Makeup Revolution Salvation palette professional shadows. Now this has a lot of neutral shades in it, neutral browns, nudes, those kind of colors here. And take any big fluffy brush like so. I'm going to put this color all over my crease and above it. Always remember, wherever you'll put your brush first, that would get the maximum intensity of color. So make sure you put it in the outer corner of your eyes, like here, very light-handedly, and then blend it inwards, like so. Now I want to keep it a little warm. I am going to use orangish eyeshadow. This one is from PAC number 3. I'm taking the same fluffy brush, just barely touching it. Tapping off the excess, very important, and then putting it in the same area which is above the crease. Okay, next I'm a little confused. I would take either of these eyeshadows. I really want to go for the pink one, just a light shade, a light wash of color all over the lids, because I want this look to be very fresh. And like I said, you can definitely keep your lids bare, or just probably use any very light pink, shimmery, pearly eyeshadow all over your lids, just a light wash, or any matte, like skin colored eyeshadow all over your lids, just a light wash of color if you're not very good with the eyeshadows. Or else you can go for this. Next, I'm taking this matte mauvish eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm using this to blend out this shimmery eyeshadow into my crease. Now let's come to the lower lash line, and I'm going to start off with the same light brown eyeshadow that I used in my crease. I'm going to start off with that in my lower lash line. Taking even a smaller brush, I'm applying that shimmery pink eyeshadow again on my lower lash line. I'm just taking a baked bronzer. This one is Makeup Revolution Whipped Baked Bronzer. I'm going to take it in a smaller brush. It would add a lot more warmth. For me, this is the star of the look. Even if you keep everything bare on the upper lid, just do this and it instantly makes you look glamorous. If you are going out for a function in the daytime, I would suggest stop right at this point and keep it really fresh and minimal, and this is how I like it during the daytime. But if you're going out at the night time, you can definitely go for this look. But I would suggest you to go a little bit extra here and coal line your eyes on the upper lash line as well as on the lower lash line and smoke it out a little bit. So for the lip color, I'm going for the Natio Rose lip color. Blush is Makeup Revolution's Hot. This is the matte bright pink, a little bit coral-ish blush. It's fine. For the highlight, I'm using the Sivana Colors Baking the shade 02.